Hello, I'm Doug DeWitt, Transfer Paper Product Manager here at Conde Systems, welcoming you to our video blog regarding TTPPHH Episode 29, using a micromask within the Digital Factory 10 RIP. The reason that we encourage clients to use the micromask feature is because it helps distress the graphic. This is important whenever we're working with self-weeding transfer papers. Self-weeding transfer papers are designed to lay down emulsion over distressed areas. They're not really designed to do a solid film full bleed. If you attempt to do a solid film full bleed with a self-weeding paper, what ends up happening more often than not, you may have areas of the graphic that lift up, or you don't get a full emulsion lay down over your design. By using a micromask feature and slight distressing, we feel that you are going to have more successful weeding attempts working with papers. Now in today's demonstration, we're going to work with Forever Laser Dark, No Cut, Low Temp transfer paper and hopefully show you the benefits of applying a micromask. But we're going to go ahead and start with a first attempt, which is trying to weed a full bleed design. To demonstrate, what we're going to do is attempt to weed a full bleed transfer. In other words, this design has not been distressed with our RIP software. I've got my printed A sheet, I've got my B sheet. Put the B sheet and A sheet together, put it down on the press, cover with protective paper, and we're pressing this design at 310 degrees Fahrenheit for 2 minutes with a medium pressure. Check back with me and we'll show the peel attempt on this. So we're at 2 minutes on our first attempt, weeding a full bleed design, and attempt to peel. Now as you can see here, I'm getting areas where the emulsion didn't lay down properly. And there's also a lot of tension. These are the results that you can get when you don't apply a micromask to a full bleed. Let's try the same design, but with micromask employed within the design and see if we get a better weed attempt. So now that we've showed you what can happen whenever you try to weed a full bleed design, we're going to attempt to do the same design, but with a micromask. In this first example, I have a dot pattern within the micromask on this design, but we're going to use the same technique. Take our printed A sheet, our B sheet, put the two of them together, put the papers down, cover with a protective sheet, and heat for the same time, temperature, and pressure as our original attempt. 310 degrees Fahrenheit for 2 minutes with a medium pressure. We'll check back in and see if we get a better result with this micromask. Start the peel, going from one corner to the other. And what you should discover, there is far less tension on this B sheet as I'm removing it from the A foil. Not to mention, we have a solid emulsion laydown. Now we know we've got a successful weeding attempt if I can actually feel the texture of the micromask within the B sheet. So this one's good to go. Let's try another micromask with a line break. Now whenever you do the line break, I recommend that you set your line break to run vertically up and down the page so that when you apply the design to the garment, the line breaks will flex if the garment stretches. Again, I've got my printed A foil and my B sheet. Put the two of them together, place the two sheets on the bottom platen, and we're using the same time, temperature, and pressure. 310 degrees Fahrenheit for 2 minutes with medium pressure. Start the weed process. Now, one thing that is important, we want to make sure that our A foil stays against the hot bottom platen. This will allow us to do a slow peel. using the MicroMask line feature. If we've done it correct, we should feel the line pattern indentation in the B sheet. I hope this demonstration today convinces you to employ the MicroMask feature in the Digital Factory 10 RIP or the FOREVER TransferRIP whenever you're trying to weed a full bleed design. What you're going to find is adding that little bit of distress is going to give you more successful weeding and less transfers that end up in the trash can. However, should you have any questions about the material we covered today, you can contact us direct at 1-800-826-6332, or you can send your inquiry to saleshelp@conde.com. We'll be more than happy to assist. Until next time, I'm Doug DeWitt, Transfer Paper Product Manager here at Conde Systems. My time is up, and I thank you for yours.